Hello everyone. Today we're going to be covering the inventory status section of the newly released PartnerLink. On the left-hand side, where you can find all of your everyday tools, you'll notice a section called Inventory, and then below that you'll see Location. If you click on there, it'll take you over to the Inventory Status page. The Inventory Status page offers you two options to check inventory. You can either check inventory by item or by collection. We'll start off with the search by item. In the search by item box, this box will allow you to search by 1 or 20 different random items. You can enter the item number with or without the finish. So let's go ahead and do that now. And I'm going to press enter after each item to be able to separate the lines. When I'm done, I can click the search button, and that'll allow the PartnerLink to go through and search for the inventory results for the items that we entered. If we entered an incorrect item, it will ask us to correct that item before you can proceed. So let's go ahead and fix that item. I see, I entered a 30080 instead of an 81. Let's hit search. So the inventory status results page will appear, and you can see the inventory status for each one of the items that we specified. Now you'll notice on the 2688 I didn't specify a finish, so what it did is it gave us the inventory results for each one of the finishes listed. Let's talk about some functionality on this page. One of the tools that I love about the PartnerLink is all of these title or those column titles that you see highlighted in the gold, or for the ET2 side of the PartnerLink it'll be highlighted in red, is an indication that you can sort that column. So if I wanted to sort maybe descending order by item number, I can click there and then it'll show me right above that it's sorted by item number in descending order. So you can do that with any of those columns that you see with the gold font color. Now if you take your mouse over the image, you'll notice that we've added in a zoomify feature. So now you can get a close-up look at that item without needing to click on it to go to another page. But if you did want to view product specification details, you can click on that image or the item number right below it, and it'll take you to the front side of our website where you can view that product specification information. Then you have the available stock column. The available stock column and sufficient stock columns gives you a general idea as to how much stock we have available. The sufficient stock column is based off of our monthly ordering comfortable stock level. So if we have about a month's supply of inventory available, you'll see that yes indicated in the sufficient stock column. If we don't, you'll see that no, and then a confirmed arrival date. If we don't have a confirmed arrival date, you'll see a note here that says no, to please contact customer service. So we might be able to help you find an alternate item to choose for your customer. The available stock column will tell you if we have a couple of pieces available. So sometimes you can see a no in the sufficient stock column. Looks like we don't, oh we do, first item here. We have a no in the sufficient stock column, but we have a yes in the available stock, indicating that we do have some stock available. So let's check and see if we have the 5 pieces that our customer needs. So if I enter 5 here and click yes, what this does is this checks our live information. So the same information, same ETA and stock level information that customer service relays over the phone is the same thing that this pop-up is looking at. So it's checking to see how many orders we have and whether we have 5 available after those orders are taken accounted for. It'll also relay to you transfer information. So if we only have a specific quantity, maybe we have 2 out of 3 in stock in a California warehouse, an additional 3 to be transferred from another location, it'll tell you that information as well. It will also relay ETA information. So if we have a confirmed arrival date when we will be receiving the complete 5 into stock, it'll tell you that date here. So this is an awesome tool to use on the weekends when we're selling to customers. We need to have an answer for our customer right now, and maybe customer service is already closed and unable to give us that information. This allows you to access that information 24/7. This page is also exportable into Excel, and it's also printer friendly. So you can easily print it out for your records, or maybe print it to a PDF copy, email it over to your customer, or utilize the Excel option as well. All right, so let's go back for a second. Let's take a look at that search by collection that we seen when we first came to the inventory status page. We'll just go ahead and wipe this information out. Okay, down below to search by collection, this is another awesome tool. Let's say our customer picked out the chandelier that she wants for her home, and now we need to check and see if all the wall sconces are in stock as well. We can easily select the collection here, scroll down to the bottom, and click search. Now you can also select multiple collections. So I'm just going to click a couple here. Maybe we're going to do some updating outdoor as well. Click the search button. And the inventory status page went through and checked stock and availability for each item within each collection we selected. So I can easily see, great, we have everything in stock for the Adriana collection. So it's not a problem getting this customer taken care of. And we also have the outdoor series that she selected available, with the exception of a one light pendant for the Moda collection. All right, so that's it for this section. Thanks for joining us.